Hello, Kriti Sanan garu. How are you? And welcome back to Hyderabad.
Thank you so much. Andariki namaskaram. Or should I say, aao to zamok karta? Huh? It is very almost nostalgic, emotional to be back here again. I will attempt a little bit of Telugu. I attempted on my audio launch for one and I messed it up a little bit, but I'll try to be better. So, నేను నా కెరీర్ని తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలో స్టార్ట్ చేశాను అండ్ ఇక్కడికి రావటం చాలా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. డోంట్ ఇంటరప్ట్. నాకు నా డెబ్యూ ఫిల్మ్లోనే చాలా లవ్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫిల్మ్ కూడా మీరు అందరూ చూడాలి. Is that fine? Is that fine? 25th November తోడేలు సినిమాలో రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. మీ ప్రేమని అందించండి. But I don't know if I said it all correct or I didn't, but my feelings, my love for you all was true. And it is, I will never forget the warmth and the love that this city, this industry, the media, everyone out there gave me when I started my career as an actor with Mahesh Babu Garu, with Sukumar Garu. And I was a nobody and I didn't know anyone here. And the love and the warmth and the open hearts that you all welcome me with, I'll not forget that ever. And it is very emotional and nostalgic to be back here again. Technically my third Telugu film, Todelu, and I hope that you guys give as much love to this film as well. And thank you so much, Allu Aravind Garu, for being here, for presenting our film, for taking it here for the Telugu audience. Yes, we are doing a film together, Shehzada, which is a remake of your son's film only. And it's been a pleasure being a part of that film. It's so sad that I'm meeting you for the first time now here for another film. But that's also going to be a big one. It's coming soon. It's Varun's brother. Too many people aligned here. And I hope that also does as well as the film did. But it's just very nice and I'm very happy to be here with you all. And I hope you all love the trailer. I hope you give all the love to Todelu because it is a very entertaining film. It's releasing in 2D and 3D, in Telugu, Tamil, Hindi. So just like I said, Auto Zamo Karda, please say that back to the film.
So, Auto Zamo Karda topic elago vachindi kabatti ఒక్కసారి shall we recollect the step?
If I remember, do you remember it? Okay, I think I remember it.
Come on everybody, music, Auto Zamo Karda. Yeah, music please. Wow, so excited kada fans. చాలా ఇయర్స్ తర్వాత మహేష్ బాబు గారితో కృతి సనన్ గారు చేసిన స్టెప్ ని ఇవాళ మనం గుర్తు చేసుకోబోతున్నాము. ఎస్, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రెడీ యూ కెన్ ప్లే ద మ్యూజిక్. ఓకే Kriti, before the audio gets ready, I would like to put few questions to you. So Mahesh Babu garto first movie, that is your first ever film in your career. So can you recollect the best memories with Mahesh Babu Garu and working for the film?
I think he helped me a lot, you know, not only in Telugu, but in general on set. It was my first film. I had never shot a film before that. I didn't know what a mark is, what the facing is for the camera. And I was in a completely new world. And he is the most loveliest, the most humble and grounded person I had met. And I was so happy that he was my first co-star. And he was very relaxed and normal and made me normal. So I remember shooting extensively in London, in Belfast, in Phuket. You know, we went all around. And I love that film. I love One and Okane. I love all the songs. I love You're My Love. I love Sayonara, Aao To Zumo Karta. I listen to those songs even now. I know them so well. Yeah.
Yeah, and this film, Todelu, I'm sure we're gonna experience some unique, movie in theaters from November 25th. But I would like to know your experience working for the film, which have these VFX shots, CG shots and all, and especially Varun Dhawan garu, converting into a wolf. So how was the whole experience working for Todelu?
Working for Todelu was amazing. We went and shot the entire film at Arunachal Pradesh. I had never been to Arunachal Pradesh before, and it is a beautiful, beautiful place. It's got all the greenery. About 70% of the oxygen of India comes from there. So, the air is different. Even the dogs are very happy. The ones that are roaming around the street, they're just so happy because that's the vibe of the place. And Amar Kaushik, the director, is amazing. He is just so dedicated and hardworking and energetic. I thought Varun Dhawan is going to be the most energetic person on set, but it was actually Amar Kaushik. He has more energy than Varun also. So it was amazing shooting this film. It's a very different kind of a film. There is a lot of humor. There's comedy. I'm playing a vet, and the most confused vet. She doesn't give you a straightforward answer ever. She will always tell you, ye bhi ho sakta hai, wo bhi ho sakta hai. So she's confused in her answers and a quirky character. So it's been a fun journey, and the VFX has been done by MPC, which is a company that's also done The Jungle Book, Lion King, Planet of the Apes, and many other films. So this Bhedia actually is the main star. This wolf is actually the main star of the film. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's an entertaining one.
Also, can you tell us something about your look? You look so different. I'm sure many of the audiences have told you this. So how have you finalized that look for this character?
When I remember Dino, me and Amar, we were sort of doing a look test. And we were like, I need to look different, You end up looking similar in a lot of films. And I was like, no, I have to look very, very different. I want to be unrecognizable. And here was an opportunity because Anika, my character, is from Arunachal Pradesh. So there's a little pahadi vibe, mountain vibe to her. So she's got flushed cheeks. We added freckles. We went with this short hair. The moment we tried the short hair, we were like, okay, this is amazing. I cannot recognize myself. This is very different. Also, it's sort of inspired from my childhood. I had that sadhana cut when I was a baby. So it was almost like I've grown up like that only, with that same hair.
For this film, you have gone back to your childhood
I've
style.
gone back to my childhood style, yeah.
Wonderful. So yes, Nenu almost interview చేసేస్తున్నాను. And quickly, we would like to know your favorite hero, current favorite hero in Telugu.
I have to say the darling, who's everyone's darling.
Yeah.
Prabhas.
Prabhas garu, okay. And favorite film, Telugu favorite film in recent times?
I have loved Pushpa. I have also loved RRR. I think Telugu cinema has been doing some amazing work, and we all are very proud of it.
Yes, we are eagerly waiting to watch the film Todelu. Also, we are eagerly waiting for Adipurush as well.
I am waiting for it too.
Yes, Marika. Music ho jaye? Can we have some music, please? Come on, everybody. Cheers.
Oh, rockstar, I'm your angel. A real rockstar, I am single. Mr. Rockstar, I'm a mingle. Tell rockstar, check on jingle. Okay, I'm gonna Garuda, but a girlfriend, undi pannaga chesi break up aypoda. All to more pop. All to more pop.
I think coming from an engineering background, I have good memory, thankfully. And I remember Sukumar Garu told me during one that you're a good actor, but another reason why I've taken you is because you have great memory. Because he used to write the dialogues on the same day in the morning and used to give me pages of dialogues to say. So yeah, thankfully, that's the reason why I know this song.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Kriti Sanon. Wonderful having you here back in Hyderabad and on stage. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ఒక్కసారి గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు. That was our very beautiful and talented Kriti Sanon for you all.